Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into one of the most versatile premium zoom lenses Nikon has ever released, the NIKKOR Z24-120mm f4S. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a single lens that can cover almost everything: landscapes, portraits, travel, events, products, street photography, this S-line constant aperture zoom might be the perfect all-in-one choice. Right away, what makes this lens special is the constant f4 aperture across the entire zoom range. Whether you're shooting at 24mm for wide, cinematic shots or zooming to 120mm for portraits or compression, exposure stays consistent. This makes video work smoother and gives still shooters more control in varying lighting. Image quality is absolutely top tier thanks to Nikon's S-line engineering. You get ultra-sharp results from edge to edge, excellent contrast, and beautiful color reproduction. Chromatic aberration, flare, and distortion are extremely well controlled, even when shooting towards bright light sources. Nikon's nano crystal and arneo coatings really keep images clean. Autofocus is fast, silent, and incredibly accurate, especially with the new Nikon Z mounted bodies. Whether you're tracking people, animals, sports, or shooting weddings, the AF performance feels confident and reliable. Videographers will also appreciate how quiet and smooth the focusing motors are. The zoom range itself is one of the biggest strengths: 24mm for landscapes, 35mm for environmental portraits, 50mm for everyday framing, 85mm and 105mm for portraits, and 120mm for tighter pulls or compressed backgrounds. It practically replaces 3-4 lenses in one body while maintaining premium optical performance. Build quality is excellent: lightweight but durable, weather-sealed, and ready for professional use. The customizable control ring makes aperture, ISO, or exposure adjustments super intuitive. Whether you're traveling with minimal gear or shooting demanding paid work, this lens can handle almost everything you throw at it. If you're looking for a sharp, reliable, professional-grade zoom lens that covers nearly every focal need, the NIKKOR Z24-120mm f4S is easily one of the best options in the Nikon Z lineup. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and check out the link below to get yours today.